study like crazy. You need to study, 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 study times infinity when you're in nursing school. Hi, thank you for coming back to my channel today. And if you have any questions or any topics that you want me to talk about, feel free to write it down below in the comment section and I will get back to you. I always answer all of my comments. Whatever questions you have, I'll always answer it. I'm reading it personally. I don't have anyone else reading it for me, so I'm always going to acknowledge you. Now, if you're in clinical, you also want to ask questions and you also want to volunteer the majority of your time. So by asking questions and volunteering during your clinical session, this could benefit you both ways. One, you're learning. When you're actually carrying out a procedure or a task, you are being able to do trial and error. Not every time you do something is going to be perfect. You might need to draw insulin in a syringe, and the first time you do it may not be correct, but with the teacher there as your guidance, you're able to do it and learn how to do it properly. And this goes for any task that you have to do as a nurse. The only way you're going to learn is if you actually do it yourself. So practice is a key thing for you to be a good nurse. And the second thing that you can achieve by actually answering questions and doing more participation in clinical sessions is that you're being noticed by the professor. You're also being noticed by the people who work at the facility that you are volunteering at. So if you're in a facility, nursing home, or in a hospital, for example, if you are in those facilities, the nurses that are working there, the CNAs that are working there, the HHAs, or whoever it may be that are working there, they are noticing you. They are saying, okay, this one knows what he or she is doing, this one not really, this one is very helpful, I could always call on this one to help me. Like, they know who you are. And 9 out of 10 times, the way that you perform at your clinicals is how you get your first job. That's just a tip. The next tip I can give you is you want to be around people who are positive-minded people. There'll be a lot of times that they have some people in nursing school who just aren't good note takers or who aren't just doing well in nursing school. You don't want to really be around them like that. You want to be around the people who are doing what they're supposed to be doing in school. So if you know there's someone who's always, you know, getting good grades, or someone who's very much aware or very much into school, you want to be around them. And the reason why is because when you're around people that, I should say, is like-minded people like you, and you have a goal of being able to pass your nursing classes, you're able to study together. That's number one. Number two, you guys both motivate each other to do better. And number three is that if for some reason you're not able to come to class, or that individual is not able to come to class, you guys could share notes. You guys could inform the other person of what is happening or what they need to do. So you always want to make sure that you have a contact at your school who is a classmate, who's able to help you, and you guys go through this journey together. Nursing school is not a place for you to go in it alone. In nursing school, you should be making friends, not friends that is going to not uplift you, or friends that will discourage you from doing better. But you want to be around friends that's going to motivate you to do better, friends that are helpful, friends that are very encouraging. Those are the friends that you want to have. And I have friends from nursing school. Shout out to T, if you're listening. That's my friend from nursing school. So he was very helpful during that school time that I was going and doing my thing. So I'm very happy. I'm very thankful that God brought T into my life, that I'm able to just be able to do well in school. And not only that, I have a friend, because we're still friends, right? I'm very thankful for that. So shout out to T if you're looking at me right now. But until next time, bye.